All right, welcome back everybody to Project COVID 1953. We have some work we've been getting done on our 1953 Chevy 150. The rust that needs to be taken care of on the roof. It was pretty significant amount of rust because it burnt the paint off. The car sat for a long time and we had some pitting and things like that. So instead of sandblasting or grinding the heck out of it, I wanted to sand off what I could with a wire wheel and then chemically strip the rust out. I used a lot of fast etch and I've talked about that in the past. I'm a big fan of that. So using that and going back and forth between fast etch and wire wheeling, I was able to get all the bad stuff out and still maintain all the good metal. So, and you'll see in the, what I have, you'll see in this video is the different stages. It was real rusty, you got some of it off, go back, get a little bit more off, and got to the point where I'm at clean, bare metal. And once I got that done, put a coat of epoxy primer on there. There's a couple little dents in the roof, but easy fix. But for the rest of it, it's going to be either using slick sand or high build primer to fill up any pits and things like that in the roof, and then blocking it out. Should be an easy fix on the roof, but it's done. It's epoxy primer, and now I can move on to something else. But that was another milestone that I wanted to get done and over with because it's monotonous, it's time consuming, and even though I do fine working on rust, nobody likes working on rust. So, but getting that off of the car felt good. So hey, stay tuned, we got more stuff coming.